Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Emma app. This is a new app that helps you manage your finances. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I'm really impressed with it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Emma app and explain some of the features that I find most helpful. I'll also talk about the pros and cons of the app. Before I get started, I want to ask you a question. How much do you know about your finances? Do you have a good understanding of your income and expenses? If not, you're not alone. Many people don't have a good grasp of their financial situation. This is where the Emma app can help. It's a great tool for tracking your income and expenses, setting financial goals, and saving money. How to use the Emma app? The Emma app is very easy to use. Once you download the app, you'll need to create an account. You can do this by entering your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be asked to enter your income and expenses. You can do this manually or by connecting your bank account to the app. Once you've entered your income and expenses, the app will generate a financial dashboard. This dashboard will show you your current financial situation, including your income, expenses, and net worth. You can also use the Emma app to set financial goals. For example, you can set a goal to save for a down payment on a house or to pay off your student loans. The Emma app also has a feature called Emma Assist. This feature helps you to make better financial decisions. For example, Emma Assist can help you identify unnecessary expenses and find ways to save money. Features. Here are some of the features that I find most helpful about the Emma app. Easy to use. The app is very easy to set up and use. Comprehensive. The app tracks your income and expenses, sets financial goals, and helps you to make better financial decisions. Affordable. The app is free to use. Secure. The app uses encryption to protect your financial data. Pros and cons. Pros. Easy to use. Comprehensive. Affordable. Secure. Cons. Requires a bank account connection. Not available in all countries. Overall, I'm very impressed with the Emma app. It's a great tool for managing your finances. If you're looking for a way to get a better handle on your finances, I highly recommend checking out the Emma app. If you're interested in learning more about the Emma app, I encourage you to check out their website or download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.